Alright, I'm at the barn here with Rick and Pete and Dan, and I'm going to do a little bit of an unboxing video here on this early 80s Hunter Original. They were calling it the Old Time Original. Now this box has been opened before, but the fan has never been assembled or installed. So went to was sold by Essential Ceiling Fans in Washington, D.C. Went to Richard Perkins of Burke, Virginia. So I'll open her up here. Model 22450, antique brass.
Would this be a good time, Rick, for you to take a look upstairs and see if you can find box 143?
Okay, got a canopy.
Where are the numbers?
Little bag of equipment here with the little down rod and claw, and the original oil tube is in there. And here's our motor. Still got the oil warning tag on it. So yeah, we'll be putting this together and doing a test video. So you'll see that on the channel here as well. Thanks for watching. Okay, I just wanted to do a little amendment here. Amendment to the unboxing video here. I pulled the motor out, and in here underneath we've got the original Robbins and Myers warranty card, where you'd send in your send it in for their records. Huh, interesting, at that time they only had a 5-year warranty on them. When in the 90s they were giving them a lifetime warranty. Congratulations, you now own the best energy-saving ceiling fan on the market. Your Hunter Original Old-Time Ceiling Fan is designed for economic performance, maximum air delivery, quiet vibration-free operation, safety, and years of trouble-free service. By using it wisely, you can keep your home cooled with fresh breezes at lower utility costs than conventional air conditioning requires. Your limited warranty is listed inside. Please take a few minutes to complete each section and send in the owner's registration card. And then here is also the installation manual.